Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Hyatt Regency St. Louis at the Arch. Starting in the living room area, I was upgraded to a junior suite. Nice upgrade for a very spacious room. Ample space for luggage, complimentary water bottles with the Hyatt Globalist status, and a bag. They gave me some more. Coffee maker, some pods, big couch area, and a table on this side. A little dark, but lots of lamps throughout the room. Headed into the king room. There's a hallway area, closets to the side. TV in the main room, little desk below it. The classic side chair with a little table area and a space for your feet. King bed in this junior suite. Temperature controls on the wall. Digital controls, and a view of the outside. A nice view on the 6th floor. You can see the arch right ahead. Looks like a church and various buildings and other hotels. Live casino close by, FanDuel Sportsbook. There's also a Caesars, a horseshoe casino close by, and what might be the courthouse. See the center structure and the skyline, the buildings in the back. Looks like an airplane flying a banner at the top, a bridge in the back, and a sign for this being a national park. See a lot of cars and trucks going across the bridge, and lots going on at the bottom. People walking, people taking photos, people walking dogs, and a lot more. Coming back into the room, take a side view of the large king bed, and we'll head into the bathroom. A bathroom door off to the side. Not too big, but a spacious sink area. Big countertop, one sink, makeup mirror to the side, body lotion, bar of soap, and a shower on this side. A little dark once again, but it is shower with the door. And see the nozzle or the sprinkler at the top. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash on the wall. Glass door coming in and out. I booked this stay on points with Hyatt. This is going to give me qualifying nights for my Hyatt Globalist status to maintain Globalist in 2026. Currently at 30 nights, this will take me to 33, and spending from Chase credit cards will give me some more nights. Approaching June of 2026, this is mid-May. Still lots of time to stay at Hyatt properties and spend on Hyatt credit cards to maintain Globalist status. Globalist gave me this room upgrade, and there's also complimentary breakfast in the morning. They said it depends on occupancy, whether there is a buffet or ordering from the menu. Another view outside. Staying here for 3 nights. Friday, Saturday, Sunday nights. Checking out on Monday. 4 p.m. late checkout was offered at the front desk. We have a mini fridge in the room as well, and microwaves on each floor. Store food, heat food, do what you would like. Final view of the living room and some of the art on the wall. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Hyatt Regency St. Louis at the Arch. Stay tuned for more content.